This time, our African overland journey takes our Land Rover Defender deep into the Serengeti in rainy season. The further we drive, the more the tracks disappear beneath floodwater, and the darkening skies suggest that there's more to come. These slippery, unforgiving routes are a challenge, no matter what you drive.
God, they're massive, aren't they?
And it leaves us wondering, will we even make it through to the other side? Because eventually you reach a point where you have to ask, how deep is too deep? Today we leave Fukufuku campsite to enter the western gate of the Serengeti. There's a romance associated with this area. You know, dusty trails, blue skies spanning over wide open savanna. Well, it turned out to be a bit different for us today.
I think we're going to see a bit of mud today. Hopefully not too much.
Our plan for the next 2 days is to cross the Serengeti from the west to the south, overnighting at Serenera.
They look like the welcoming committee to the Serengeti, don't they? What are you doing, Marky?
Then the tyres down to 25 at the front, 27 at the back. But we don't know what we're in for the road.
Judging by the vehicles that have just come back, there might be a little bit of mud.
Looking at the registration plate.
Maybe struggling a bit with our registration plate because it's not from here.
She's coming now.
It finally opened. Here we go. We're on our way. So welcome to the Serengeti. We finally made it through the gate.
At last.
At last, and we're pretty excited to see what we can find today.
The Serengeti in northern Tanzania is a world-renowned 15,000 square kilometre UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is best known for its vast plains and, of course, the Great Migration. Over 2 million wildebeest, zebras and gazelles move in a constant cycle in search of fresh grazing. They are followed closely by predators, making this area home to one of the most dramatic wildlife spectacles on Earth. In the rainy season, the dusty land transforms into lush grassland. Flooding reshapes the landscape overnight, and those dirt tracks become mud. Even though there were some threatening clouds in the sky, we were pretty hopeful to have a good weather day. We even tried to avoid big waterlogged areas on the tracks. But eventually gave up on that idea.
Rippers are pretty high. Not sure we'll get to cross that today or anything else.
It seemed that the further east we travelled, the darker the skies and the muddier the tracks.
Whoa.
We found a bridge that wasn't flooded yet. And then the mud just became something to play with. Before it got more serious.
I think the camera's hoping waterproof.
Water. Oh, that was quite deep, wasn't it?
No, it's very dirty, my friend.
Yeah, housekeeping can be a bit dirty, I think. So, kind of got the best of both worlds in this park. A bit of four-wheel driving for Mark and some animals for me. So, like, we're all good here today.
Lovely views though.
Oh, the landscape is spectacular.
It's so green now.
Yeah.
We might even have some rain in a bit.
So we push on, deeper into the Serengeti wilderness.
Oh, whoa. Might slip down there.
Oh, nice to there.
Oh, shite.
Oh,
Yeah.
oops, sorry.
Yeah.
What?
No.
Check out all these guys.
Hey?
All those guys. All the monkeys. Yeah, and buffalo.
Soft though.
A bit soft.
Soft.
And then the rain started. At times it was heavier, and occasionally it stopped. But mostly it rained. Even though the tracks were getting muddier and the creeks were filling up. we still managed to see a fair bit of wildlife.
Hey mate.
But we weren't the only ones tackling this wet terrain out here.
You guys alright?
Okay.
You bombed?
That's the hole.
And it really didn't get any better.
Well negotiated. Oh. Okay.
Yep, that's how easy it is to lose traction.
Bit of a slip and a slide.
Accelerating too hard.
You right?
Yeah, my bad, I accelerated too hard.
In the wet, these tracks can be quite unforgiving. One wrong move and things can go pear-shaped.
Bit more water. And there's an elephant standing right there.
Where? Oh, they're all both sides.
Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh, they are too. Gee.
Did you enjoy
Oh my
that?
god, look at all those. Oh my god, they're everywhere.
Oh,
Why did we
shit.
go down? We're right in the middle of this elephant herd.
There's millions of them here.
How many elephants do you want? Loads.
Oh, they're coming.
Are they coming this way?
We've seen quite a few elephant herds while in Africa, but this one was probably the largest one so far. They seemed to be grazing quite contently, so we watched for a while and then we moved on.
Oh, big fella. Big guy is.
Yeah, they
He's
are.
huge.
Oh yeah. It's quite.
We were quite in awe at the sheer number of animals, but at the same time wanted to get out of there because there were quite a few calves among them. And the one thing we definitely don't want to do is accidentally get between an elephant mum and her calf. But we didn't get to think about the Ellies for too long, because we now have more water to contend with. and the clouds are still threatening to bring more rain. And for now, we're quite glad that we're getting close to camp. When we're suddenly stopped in our tracks.
Yep, just go right past him, I guess.
You want to go?
Yeah.
We can only assume that this guy was really enjoying this acacia tree, and we were definitely inconveniencing him.
What are you doing? I don't think he's going to move. I'll just walk past, just drive past him, really.
What, you won't kick out with the back leg?
Nah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I do.
Let's go around him. Just gonna move slowly. God, they're massive, aren't they?
Thank you.
And then we realise we're not the first to arrive at camp. So here we are at the edge of a grassy plain in the middle of the Serengeti. No fences, lions, leopards, hyenas, and we're about to go to bed because it's getting a bit spooky now.
We've just been told that the grass has gone long now, so we can expect lions, leopards and hyenas tonight. Apparently they heard them last night, so they might be close.
So we packed up camp in the rain today, and the Defender's looking a bit worse for wear.
And in case you're wondering, we only heard a lion roar last night, and it didn't look like anything came into camp.
But anyhow, we had a good time yesterday. We'll just see what today brings. Oh, hippos! There's hippos in there. Oh, there's 3 of them. 4 of them. Another one just came up. Oh, water went over this bridge then. Yesterday. I think there's someone up ahead, someone's in trouble. Just be careful that we don't get bogged now. No. Oh yeah. Oh shite. Okay. Alright, we'll just have to go and see what Dave and Guy need, and then we'll talk to them. So unfortunately the loan vehicle's playing up as well.
What's up? Won't start.
No, it's popping. I think I might have got some water.
Oh, so it sounds like we might have
Needed a few more eyes around us.
we might have got some water in the loan vehicle, and these guys just want to make sure that we can keep a bit of an eye out for them, for potential predators, I guess. Luckily, the car broke down just near a giraffe, so that's kind of cool. We've started. That's good.
The air filter was just full of shit.
Full of wet stuff. It's been really muddy. We've really collected a lot of moisture along the way, so hopefully that's all it is. All okay?
Yeah.
Now we've got to go pull a Toyota out.
The cruiser appeared to have almost made it through the creek, so we thought it would be better recovered from the front. And while trying to get around it, we find some deep water ourselves. It's never nice to be in this situation, and it can so easily happen to any of us.
Not much. You got the shackle? Just getting going home.
Trying to find an anchor point on the Toyota. It's on Belostong. Dave said, can you go back a little bit maybe? Is it there? Wheels are unstrapped.
And all's well that ends well. So here we are, still trying to find our way out of the park. We've picked a route that looks fairly straightforward on the map, but turns out to be anything but that. And we soon ask ourselves, how deep is too deep?
We're making the decision to turn around. The water is just a bit too deep, and we're not quite sure what's going to lie ahead either on this track. So we're going to turn around, go back to Serenara and Serenera, and try and get back on a main track away from the river a little bit, and see how we go there, and exit the park hopefully at the southern gate.
I guess sometimes you just have to know when to retreat. This Landy isn't just a car that takes us from A to B. It's also our home. And while we're happy to tackle reasonable obstacles, we really don't want to lose it in a water crossing. We also have everything we own here in Africa on board. So finding another way seemed to be the best option.
Hello, fellas. Loads of hippos over there.
So we make it back to the main track. And while there's still water, it's pretty solid underfoot.
Well, they've just come across it.
Yeah, they have.
And then we get to see what the Serengeti is so famous for. Hundreds of thousands of wildebeest, zebra and antelope congregate on the southern grasslands. This is calving season, and for kilometres there are animals as far as the eye can see. It's end of February, and this is where the Great Migration momentarily comes to a standstill.
Yeah, thousands of them.
The sheer magnitude of this event just leaves you awestruck.
There's wildebeest and zebra as far as the eye can see.
When you mention Serengeti, this is exactly the kind of scene that comes to mind. And we felt quite privileged to have witnessed it. It's now nearly time for us to leave the park, and we stop to take stock.
So we thought Husky was dirty this morning when we left the campsite, but I think we might have just improved on that a bit. Same with the hire car. And it's still raining. It's a pretty good job, right?
This is the southern edge of the Serengeti, and it's where it joins the Ngorongoro Crater Conservation Area. And that will be our next adventure.
What do you reckon? Pretty specky view?
Yeah, it's good view.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Just let you breathe. I won't make a